How about finding your thermal load with a single click? Let's discover how the Frascold Cold Room Calculation Tool works. The Frascold Cold Room Calculation Tool provides an easy way to estimate the cooling capacity required by a cold room, getting quick and accurate results. It is fully integrated in the Frascold Selection software and available for all compressors. First, select any of the listed compressors. The Cold Room Calculation Tool is then available with the Selection Calculation mode. The tool is divided into different sections that takes into consideration all the factors that may affect the capacity required. These include the size of the room and the average conditions of temperature and humidity, the heat transmission through the envelope of the room, which is strongly influenced by the insulating materials, the infiltration of air caused by door openings, the cooling of products that are brought daily into the refrigerated space, with the possibility to choose between more than 100 products divided by category, and the internal heat generation connected to the defrosting and other heat sources. The results of the selection are listed in the final section. It is also possible to print the results and the selection parameters. Once the selection is completed, the total dimensioning load will be considered as the new value of the refrigerating capacity. The software will automatically select the most suitable compressor model based on the operating conditions and cooling capacity required, estimated by the Cold Room Calculation Tool. It's time to chill out and discover the easy answer to your needs. To learn more, check out the description of this video and download the software from Frascold website.
Frascold. Let's get cold.